Retarded.
What's your number?
I asked you a question, you
214.
didn't answer it.
4351.
Is it like 2, 1,
No.
4? What?
Oh,
It's 2, 1, 2, 1, 4. What?
oh no, I was saying you're right, but I don't think that's right. I thought you had to spin it around.
What's your number?
Oh, I think I know what it is.
What's your number there?
Hang on. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. I know how to do it. I know how to do it. Move. Move. I know how to do it. I got it.
Well, if I did that, I just called Mom.
You didn't do it right.
Without a screen.
Hang on.
The show's broken.
Do I have to let it go back every time?
Why should be broke? I feel like it's broke.
No, because you just answered it.
Well, I have to pick up the phone first. You have to pick up the phone